Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mark Lambert of the Theta's Pendulum Yahoo group. It's approximately 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now on February 12th. And as you know, that I have been focusing on particular cycles coming to bear on February 12th through February 14th, 2013. We are now in the high focus time zone that I have been looking for. And one of the things I want to point out too is the fact that when I look for a high focus time zone, I am basically looking for the market to gravitate to a particular price during that time. This whole week basically, denotes that time zone. And get rid of this right here so that would make it a little easier to see what's going on. And I do have a gain angle that is coming off of the 2007 high that I am targeting. As I blow up the screen, this is the cash index, you can see that the cross actually comes in anywhere around 1526, 1527, which, kind of a little bit revised of my previous targets. But as you can see, this is what I'm looking for as the cross of the gain angle at this point in time. And let me go on from here and go back to the ESs, which I have basically set down. This is the time zone that I'm really looking for. Now, we had a minor cycle hit as far as I estimate time on this past Friday, which had a little bit of a pullback. But like I said, this is a minor cycle this past Friday. But I do have clustering of multiple cycles that are basically coming in right now at this point in time between today and Thursday, which is telling me that if we do rebuff this gain angle, which is also another gain angle, also on the ESs, I believe this is a 1 by 1 month, basically coming in at around, let me blow this up so we can get a more accurate picture, basically around 1523 or so. So give or take a couple points, that is the area that you want to look for the market to possibly have a change in trend. And we are getting very, very close. And I hope to basically post something up as the top is being made to show you how I would trade it. The closer we get to this angle and get a rotation, the better it is, because it makes for a very, very tight stop loss. Like I said, lots of timing coming in over the next day or so. Let me bring up the regular ESs here. This is the ESs on the hourly chart, which I have shown. This is only showing the primary session. Basically, usually when I'm trading, I have both the primary session and also the Globex session running at the same time. So I'm watching the same angles and the same timing, but basically one Globex and one with no Globex session on. Basically just looking at the New York session, which typically defines the structure a little bit better than anything else. But basically this is it right now, Globex. And right now I am thinking of possibly taking an intraday short, just because the fact is we are up against one of the primary gain angles that I'm looking for to denote the timing. We're pretty much up against it right now. Should set up for a decent little pullback, maybe 5-6 points or whatever. And the biggest focus that I do have is for tomorrow and Thursday. So right now we've entered into the optimal timing window, and this is the place where you would be looking to close all your longs and possibly looking to go short. So basically this area right now is a major decision point. And looking at the NQs, which also holds the exact same timing from this past Friday, also had a cycle hit. And as you can see with the NQs, when you're looking at the primary session, basically the cycle came in right on time, and it also was rebuffed by a gain angle. So this area right now, basically looking from 1575-ish to 2775-ish to 2780-ish is probably the area where the market should top. But who knows what's going to happen? We could have like some news that comes along that causes the market to have a sharp rally in one day, basically hit this angle, hit the same angle on the S&P 500 and the ESs, and the markets could reverse. Basically, that's the way I'm looking at it. But if you do take a look at the Globex session, as you can see, we kind of broke the angle a little bit and so on. So that's why I always keep the Globex and also the primary session running at the same time. So that's pretty much it. I'm just saying that this is possibly one of those times where the market has a good chance of making a reversal. With this timing, so far, I mean, for the last month and a half to 2 months, I was saying that we'd hit 1525-ish, 1522-ish on the ESs, 1525 on the S&P cash on these two dates between 212 and 214, and we are gravitating there right now, just like a magnet. And for me, this is a high alert area. Doesn't necessarily mean it will be a top, but if we do break through this by more than a couple points, then I would say we will have a continuation to the next level, which I'll bring around, if that happens. But this week is a high focus week, and I wish everybody good luck, good trading, Godspeed, and really, really keep an eye on things right now. Talk to you soon.